जी अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। जैसे मैंने आपको बताया ना कि किसी न किसी दोस्त या किसी न किसी स्पेशल डिग्निटी से बात करेंगे, तो ये जो इस वक्त हमारे सामने बैठे हुए हैं ये घाना से आए हैं और वहाँ किसी इलाके के चीफ़ हैं, और हमारे साथ फिर वहाँ के जो अमीर साहब हैं वहाँ वो भी हमारे साथ बैठे हुए हैं। तो हम इनसे कुछ जलसा के मतलब गुफ्तगू करते हैं चीफ साहब से, ये क्या कहते हैं, इनका क्या राय है। ओके, वी कैन स्टार्ट। Will you like to tell about your trip to Jalsa? Is it in your life first experience or have you been already here?
This is my first experience.
Yes.
And it's excellent.
Excellent.
Yes.
Yeah.
And it really gives me the opportunity to know the Ahmadiyya.
Yes.
How they are.
Yeah. Yeah.
And how good they are.
Yes.
And apart from that,
Yeah.
I have to thank my Amir.
So sitting. Yeah.
Nigeria.
Okay.
Barrister
Okay.
Folorusho, who is sitting beside me.
Yes. 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 I was.
When he came to my town,
Yes.
I didn't know much about Ahmadiyya,
Okay.
and he gave me some books to read,
Okay.
and I started reading those books.
Yeah. Yeah.
And I find out that Ahmadiyya is different from the so-called
Yeah.
Muslims.
Right. Right.
One, Ahmadiyya, they are very caring,
Yes.
they are very supportive,
Yes.
they are trustworthy,
Yes.
they believe in Allah,
Yes.
sincerity.
Yes.
And Barrister, I don't know, Alhaji Abdulaziz.
Yes.
He's a barrister.
Yeah.
He's a completely gentleman.
Yes.
He showed the should I say the fundamental of Ahmadiyya.
Yeah.
When they come to the town,
Yes.
instead to expect something from us,
Yes.
they give us things.
Yeah. Right.
Money, food,
Yes.
drinks,
Yes.
and apart from that, especially where they didn't allow the youth,
Yes.
to go astray in their life.
Yeah. Yes.
They give them training, they give them education
Yes.
on Holy Book,
Yes.
Quran,
Yes.
and recently a young
Yeah.
youth,
Yes.
they are very young,
Yes.
recited the Holy Quran.
Yes.
It was amazing.
Yeah.
I didn't know what to say that day,
Yeah.
and that gave me the courage and tells me the future of Ahmadiyya
Okay.
in Nigeria
Yes.
in particular.
Yes.
And I am sure
Yes.
in the next 10, 15, 20 years,
Yes.
I'm sure 90% of Muslims in Nigeria will be Ahmadiyya.
Inshallah. Inshallah.
So when I came here today,
Yeah.
what I saw, I've never seen it in my life.
That's right.
The
What?
arrangement is good.
Yeah.
Right away from the entrance,
Yes.
the security was so intact.
Yes.
The security men, they are very helpful.
Yes.
They are friendly. And
Very nice.
look at the people
Yeah.
all over the world.
Yes.
I've never seen that before.
Very nice.
So I'm grateful to the holiness.
Yes. Yeah.
I'm grateful to barrister.
Yes. Yes. Yeah, that's very good. Actually, in the area where you are living, how many towns or villages are under your regime? Also, when you are a chief of an area.
Many. They are uncountable. There are many.
There are many.
Yes. There are many.
Yeah. And normally, when you were born and you were young, your religion was Islam or was Christian?
Well, in my family,
yes,
we have Islam, we have Christian.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So when you see the world, all rich people, they are not searching for religion. They are just looking for more fun but in Africa and these countries, they are not very rich. They are searching for peace and religion.
Peace, harmony, and supporting.
Yes.
Yeah. For the people, and that is why the Ahmadiyya is outstanding.
Yeah.
Very, very outstanding.
That's right.
They are not looking for money.
Yeah.
They are helping people in the community, and so, and I'm sure in the nearest future,
yes,
even including Britain,
yeah,
the Muslim in Britain,
yes,
in future,
yes,
I'm sure they will change to Ahmadiyya.
Yeah, hopefully,
yes,
if they are serious to have peace in the world, then they have to. Otherwise, this world will be not having peace.
Yes.
And you will like to come again in Jalsa. It's your first experience.
Yes.
And you are enjoying.
When I leave here,
yes,
I'm going to have a dialogue with the Amiru, Mr. Abdul, the way we are going to get things done. Yeah. So that we can influence the young people from Nigeria, especially from my area. Yes. So to witness such thing like this.
That is good.
So they will know that there is Allah.
Yeah, that's right. And have you ever experienced someone from the other Muslims, the fanatical Muslims, or to meet someone who says about Ahmadiyya, they are like that? Have you experienced that?
There are many.
Okay.
There are many.
Yeah.
But I don't listen to them. Because some of the books that you have. Yes. I read some of it, and I was able to see the fact.
Okay. Very nice. Okay, thank you very much for giving us time. Inshallah. Are you coming to Germany sometimes? German Jalsa next month?
Yes, we can come.
Yeah, because we have always Jalsa. After this Jalsa, 3 weeks later is always German Jalsa. So a lot of people from Africa are coming as well. Yeah. Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.